Hello boys, welcome back to the channel. Now what are we doing?
We are going to try to fry up some cicadas, and I don't know if it's going to turn out too good, but they're supposed to taste pretty good, so.
Yep, we caught some off camera. Roll the replay of that. Huh.
Bump the tree there.
Okay. Catch him?
Right there.
Oh. Okay.
Right there, Dale.
Sitting right here the whole time. Just sitting there staring at me. That gives me the creeps. Josh, listen. Huh. Oh, there he is. Got him. Yeah, I got him. He's right here, boys. Stinking got him pinned.
Grab him by the wings.
Got his one wing. His other wing. Might have to tear his wings off now so it doesn't fly away.
Don't tear them off because it'll pull his insides out.
Open the jar.
Guys, watch out. There's a bunch of them in there. Like 8. There's like 18 of them in there. So.
Maybe 18 of them.
Finally, somebody caught one besides Dal. Man, he's been just giving them the smoke.
Yeah. Slap. We drained this tree. Grab the bucket and we'll go to this other.
Moving on, boys.
Already? I was just getting set down.
Going back to that tree again.
See, I see what they're doing.
He landed there.
He's landed way up at the top of it, though.
He's landed right up there on that twig.
You see him?
Bring your net and throw your net up there, yo. Let me get something to throw at him.
Throw that water spigot at him. There he goes.
Right there.
I got him.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Joshua got one, Dal, I think. Where's he at?
Right here.
Are you gonna grab him?
Oh, you got a different one.
Yeah.
Watch, if you grab them like this instead. Watch, if you grab them. Grab them like this. By the wings. But. There it goes down.
There he is. He's right up there at the very top limb up there. I just saw him buzz around there. There he goes.
Right
There he
there.
goes.
Oh, no, he went back in. There he goes.
Is that him? There he is. There he is. There he is right there. Did you see him?
I did.
We could catch a hummingbird.
Right here, one. There's another one.
Get him.
Got him.
There's 2 right here. Right here.
Go on.
Awesome.
There he is.
Hold it.
Where'd he go? There's that.
There's one down.
Where'd he go?
Right here. Our net ain't long enough.
Dal, I saw one over here, but I missed him.
There he is. There he goes.
Whoa. There he is. He's right there. Where'd he go? Oh. Where'd he go? There he is. There he is. Oh man, he's flying over there to them trees. No, he's not. Where'd he go?
He's right there.
There you go!
There he goes.
Catch him. Why that stupid little humming?
Right there! Oh, different one.
There he is. Never mind, he's already at the top of the doggone tree.
Oh, look, there's another one.
And he flew off. How many we got, Clayton?
One.
One.
There's one right there.
Where?
Right there, it's at the top of the tree. See him right there?
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Let me chuck a rock at him or something. Alright, he's gonna eat the one.
Right here.
Can we nail him?
Got him. He flew right down into the net. Right
See?
there, Cyrus, right there. You missed. Right there, right there.
I hit him with my pole.
There he is.
Yeah. These are baby cicadas. I don't know why they're so tiny. Ones that I had were big.
Wait, I'm gonna hit
Do
the
they
tree.
taste the same?
Yeah.
There he goes.
Don't hit it. Hold on. We can see them pretty good.
Generally, the smaller ones taste better, though.
Mm-hmm.
And just about everything. Catfish, anyhow. Catfish.
So basically, we just did that 13 times.
And then, what else? We're gonna just grab them up here. Oh, get out here. We don't want to eat you. Normally just grab them. Try to cut the wings off there. And we're gonna do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 13 cicadas here, so we're gonna do that with all of them. We'll catch you guys whenever we get them done.
So they're all done. All the cicadas.
Now we gotta go wash them up. Yep.
That.
They look good.
She was wondering. That's I seen you on with one of those fishing bows that you shoot down there with the arrow on it and the string. Yeah, there's some. I just removed it.
Did you show them to her tonight? Or is it dark?
We'll catch you guys when we're about to fry these dudes up.
Down if she wants to, I don't care.
Should be soon.
This.
Grease is probably hot. I hear it sizzling. That's definitely hot.
Now they're gonna die.
Catch them when they get done.
Well,
We're gonna eat it. Oh boy.
Yep.
How
It
you
looks
supposed-
so tasty.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Smells like shrimp.
Smells like shrimp. Cheers. What's it taste like?
I'm not eating another one.
You're not eating another one?
Nope.
I don't think it tastes too bad. Did you eat the head?
Nope. I didn't eat the head.
That's the good part. That's the part that I ate.
Oh, I'm
That's the bad part of them ones.
Eat the back.
You ate the bad part. Tastes like a...
Oh, tastes like charcoal to me.
It has flavor. I don't know what it is though.
we should have seasoned them more.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
Get over here. Over here, and we'll have you try one. Here. Here you go, Kobe. Crunch down on him.
Still recording.
What does it taste like? Is it good?
Tastes like charcoal.
Tastes like charcoal?
Tastes like a burnt bug.
You want to try one, Lena?
No.
No?
Actually, it tastes like something I tasted before.
They're not bad. I mean, there'd definitely be something to survive on. But,
I would eat them if I had to.
yeah.
I'd eat the whole body.
But I
if
would
had
much
to.
rather stick with
Bruce, no,
snapping
no.
turtle.
Yeah.
No.
It's a lot better.
I don't know. They're very interesting, to say the least.
Yeah, I'd definitely stick to turtle because turtle is delicious.
Kobe likes turtle. Anyhow, go subscribe to my mom's channel. Check out my cousin's channel. That'll probably be it.
No.
See y'all next time.
You don't
Bet.
spill it on the floor.